Hello everyone, it's Kaden Weather here. Today we're talking about the severe weather that's going to be going on today for parts of the Midwest, where we do have an enhanced risk for severe weather. I'm also going to show you our future track radar for the Midwest to show you exactly when those storms will come in for your area, and we do have a line of storms that's going to be coming in with a possible derecho. So stay tuned, and I'll also show you tomorrow's threat too. But what you're looking at right now is the SPC category outlook for today, where we do see we have an enhanced risk today for severe weather in parts of the Midwest. This includes parts of Illinois, very northern Indiana, ain't barely anything of Ohio, but it includes a little portion of Ohio, parts of Michigan, Wisconsin, and Iowa. So yes, you guys are all included, and this does include the city of Chicago. So Chicago, you guys are also included in this enhanced risk today. Pretty widespread enhanced risk here for severe weather. But yes, that is our enhanced risk today. Now what I'm going to show you is our slight risk and frequent cloud to ground lightning possible with both risks. So yes, this risk is very widespread here for parts of the United States here. So this is our slight risk here. Starts from like just a little bit of Pennsylvania and New York, stretching all the way down to parts of Colorado, a little bit of Wyoming there. In this severe weather threat today. So yes, that is our slight risk there. It includes Kansas City. It includes parts of Ohio. It includes a big area there. If you see that yellow shaded area there. Now what I'm going to show you is our marginal risk right here for severe weather in parts of the U.S. just surrounding that slight risk there for parts of the United States here, northern United States here. So yes, that is our marginal risk. Large hail damping winds, wind gusts at a max. Probably won't see 40 miles per hour, but yes, still a threat of severe weather. So yes, that is our threat. Now, next thing, before I get into anything any further, I would ask that you do subscribe. But the next thing I want to show you is our tornado threat, which is actually very big. So this is not good because we have a 5% tornado threat in this pretty widespread area here. Almost the same area as Cyrus, but a little bit different there. It does not include any area in Indiana, the 5% tornado risk. But it's for parts of Michigan, Wisconsin, Iowa, and parts of Illinois. Looks like, yes, Chicago, you guys are included in this risk. Chicago, you guys need to be on alert today. Chicago, you guys could get a tornado or a tornado warning. You guys are in that 5% tornado risk here for severe weather. We also have a 2% tornado risk surrounding that, including starting from like Michigan, going all the way down to parts of Kansas here for that 5% tornado risk. We also have another 5%, no, that's a 2% right here in that green shaded. We have another 5% tornado risk over here in parts of Wyoming here. There's a little dot there of a 5%, but it doesn't mean you can't see one. Very isolated, but you can still see a tornado there. Tornado warning. So yeah, we have two spots today that we're really focusing on. It's not just this area over here in the Midwest, it's also right here in parts of Wyoming here. What I'm circling right now is that 2% tornado risk in Wyoming. Sorry, Colorado. Sorry, mispronounced that the whole time. Colorado. Colorado, you guys have a 5% tornado risk. Sorry, Wyoming. Colorado, you guys have a 5% tornado risk in Colorado here. And that 2% risk does go up to Wyoming, but it doesn't go far in Wyoming. It's mostly in Colorado. They're in that tornado risk. Now what I want to show you is our hail risk today. So let's go and take a look at our hail threat. And this shows why it's not just the Midwest that we're mainly focusing on here. We're focusing on both because the biggest hail that we're going to see here is in Colorado. Again, Colorado, you guys are going to see some severe weather today. So, biggest hail in Colorado today, but we could see that 15% hail threat here, stretching like from parts of Michigan all the way to parts of Colorado. So yes, that is the 15% hail threat for today. And we just have like a 5% hail threat. Could see some hail if it is small hail in this green shaded area surrounding that. But yes, that is our hail. Now I'm going to show you our wind threat, which is pretty high today. We have a 30% wind threat. It's very high in this area right here. For parts of Iowa, Illinois, Indiana, and Michigan, and Wisconsin there. All in this 5%, 30% wind threat, including the city of, Chicago there. You guys are in that 5% wind threat. But you guys are also in the 5% tornado threat. But yes, you guys are in that, and we see that yellow shaded area here, right there. That is where we could see some strong winds, and probably will, just not so strong as the red area. That green shaded area could see some strong gusty winds. Now I want to go ahead and show you tomorrow's threat. Before I get into tomorrow's threat and get all the details, I want to show you our future track radar for today. So again, this is the Midwest here. So starting off right about this is about 1 o'clock here. So let's start going, and as you can see, we start to see these little showers here. You start to go more to the future, you start to see, wow, just those tiny little showers right there turn into a big connected line of storms back building and making more storms here in portions of the Midwest here. So yes, you Midwest, you get a derecho. You probably will get a derecho or two in this area. Big line of storms back building and making more storms down here. Yes, this is a big storm area right here. So let's go and take a look at a few more things in the future. You see, wow, I just spotted an area right here. Look, it's purple. That's a very severe spot there. Purple indicates like one of the worst colors on the radar. But yes, that is a very severe spot. And when we go ahead and look at this, it starts to calm down a little, but they're still very severe here. And they're in looks like a leading edge almost type of thing here. But I don't think that's a leading edge. It could be. And then we go ahead and take a look at more into the future here. Then they start to fade off. There's some showers and thunderstorms, pop-up showers and thunderstorms. And we start to get some rain, but then we're in the clear after that. But yes, that is our future radar. Now I want to go and show you tomorrow's risk. Just real quickly, as you can see in this yellow shaded area right here, we do have a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow in parts of the United States here. So yes, slight risk parts of Ohio, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York, a little bit of Connecticut there, in that slight risk here. Yes, that's a slight risk. West Virginia, just a little bit of West Virginia there. But yes, that is in our slight risk there. Now I'm going to show you tomorrow's tornado threat, which is very low, just a little dot there. If this changes, I should give you a video update on this tomorrow, but the tornado threat is very low. Now I'm going to show you our hail threat, which is very widespread, but also very low. So you see, it's very, very widespread here. Look at this big line right here of our hail threat here in parts of the United States, starting from like Wyoming, Colorado, and stretching all the way back to Massachusetts. So that's very widespread there. And we have another one right here in parts of Idaho, Montana, a little bit of Wyoming there. And we have another one right here in parts of Louisiana, stretching all the way back to parts of North Carolina and Tennessee there. So that's our hail threat. Now I'm going to show you our last slide here, which is going to be our wind threat. And we see a little bit bigger of a wind threat right here. So the wind, if it's going to be worse, wind or hail for tomorrow, definitely wind, because we see that yellow shaded area indicates a bigger threat. It's 15%. The rest is 5%, and you see the same widespread in the same areas as the wind threat in the green shaded areas as the hail threat. But yes, just a little bit bigger wind threat that day. But before I leave, I would ask that you do subscribe if you like weather-related content. Again, make sure you subscribe. See that little red subscribe button right there? Click on that to subscribe. So leave a like, subscribe, stay safe, stay weather aware. We do have an enhanced risk today and a big tornado threat. So stay safe, stay weather aware, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!